Right now, I'm getting ready. I have no idea what that means. But this is the kale. And the kale kind of died in the wintertime. And the past 2 weeks, it came back to life. You might have like 45 beds. We're getting more kale there. I think we're getting lettuce over there. We just started a couple of hyacinths over there in the barrels. And right now, I have, I don't know, 150 square feet of whatever. Also, keep in mind I have ADHD, and every inch is I got occupied. Yesterday, my housemate actually yesterday. Look at it, it's carrots. Whoa. We planted carrots yesterday. We're planting lettuce. We have trees from last year. I'm not sure whether they come back or not. This is Swiss chard. That's cabbage. This is another one. This right here is strawberries. I don't know whether you realize it or not, but strawberries came back. We planted maybe 5 last year and kind of took over. Next, we'll go into my other part of the garden. Um, all this we have to weed and start over. But the way I do is I put a cardboard, then banana peels. See, this came back too. Oh, that really unbelievable. This wasn't even here last year. It went from over there to over here. What the heck? And this is my deck. I'm not sure what to do with that. We have a lot. I don't know, 1, 2, 5, 7, 10, 11. I got like 20, 21 potters. All this is, all that back there is, it's actually next to poison ivy, so I think we're going to just put potters there and not do anything. Also, this came back also. These are strawberries. And last year we planted maybe 6 plants. And guess what happened to strawberries? Took over. They like took over this whole area. Unbelievable. So what we did is we planted, we're going to plant 24 more and just see what happens. These are my, I have 1, 2, 3. Because I forget what it's called, but this is spinach came back. I have no idea what that is, but that's something. And that's something from there. Went over here. Unbelievable. Now we have, I don't know, 25, 30 beds. Every area is a bed. Boom, boom, boom. So all this will be planted. Hopefully by May 30th, May 20th. All this here. See that? These are coming back. What we're going to do is tie the post. Boom, boom, boom. This here, we got to fix up again. I think this was collards or kale last year. We got to pull that and just start all over and add more dirt, compost. The forks are for the little critters, and it definitely works. I did plant some kale right before the season ended, and it appears to be coming back. Over here is my collard section. I don't know what the heck this is. This could be a, I don't know what that is. That could be some type of tree. Oh, that's collards. Going to replant that. Yeah, we're going to replant it. And over here, we're going to probably put tomatoes. And I have a small area. I don't know whether I guess it's like 30 by 40. 30 by 40, and I'm going to have every square inch I do use. Last year was somewhat successful, not great, but somewhat successful. This year I'm having my housemates, Natalie and Mira, help me. She did a beyond amazing job. So we got plenty to keep us busy. This is what you do when you finish work, you go to your garden. It's like Vacation City. just like over the top, living the dream, super excited, and just trying to figure out where we can plant everywhere. Yesterday we got like 200 plants, and I would say I needed maybe at 1,200, 1,500. The Swiss chard also came back from last year. This is gonna be a little cabbage patch. You like that cabbage patch? Cabbage patch is gonna be like Swiss chard patch. This is gonna be like lettuce patch. Just a couple trees patch. Boom, boom, boom. This is what we do. This is what I do, and should be pretty exciting. Stay tuned.